Good day everyone. In this video, we will configure Active Directory as a login option for One Identity Safeguard for Privileged Sessions, or SPS. Let's log into SPS. Let's first add a new Active Directory server. Let's go to User and Access Control, Login Options. Click Manage AD LDAP Servers and click Create New LDAP Server. Select Active Directory. Type the name of the server and other details of the server. Click Update. Then click Save. Let's close this and then click Commit Changes. So once committed, let's just do a test connection. So LDAP server is available. So with this, we just added a new Active Directory server connection. After this, let's create a new login method. Click on Create New Login Method, Active Directory. Type in the name of the login method, then select the server we just created. Then click Save and commit changes. So with this, we just created a new login method using AD. For users to be able to log in to SPS using their Active Directory credential, users should be part of an Active Directory group, and then we will allow access to that appliance for that Active Directory group. So to do this, let's go to Appliance Access, scroll down and then click on the plus icon. Type in the Active Directory group name, and then it will automatically show which Active Directory groups are available from the group DN in the configuration earlier. So let's select this group, then click Edit to select which module you want the user group to have access to. So in this case, let's select RDP control and SSH, then click Save. From here, let's then select the appropriate type of access. In this example, let's just select read only. So once done, click Commit. So with this, we just assigned the appliance access to the user group. Let's now try logging in as a user who is part of that AD group. So login option is DC01. So let's type in as the user. So once logged in, we see we now have access to the selected module in SPS in our earlier configuration with the appropriate access type. With this, we just added Active Directory as a login option for SPS.